Shanti. So we are going to read the book Power of Subconscious Mind by Joseph Mercy, which tells us all the scientific reason Baba is the greatest scientist, but how deeply whatever he's telling affect us. Whenever suppose doctor told eat this dry fruits. But when we go and see how the dry fruits are healthy for us, what are the content inside it, we more eagerly eat it. This is to increase our eagerness to do and follow the exercise what Baba is telling us. Necessity of a working basis. Substantial progress in any field of endeavor is impossible in the absence of a working basis which is universal in its application. So, for example, any rules is working universally. You can become skilled in the operation of your subconscious mind. You can practice its power with certainty of result in exact proportion to your knowledge of its principle and to your application of them for definite specific purpose and goals you wish to achieve. So, regarding subconscious mind, so subconscious mind is also having all our past birth recordings also. So for example, soul A and I am suppose soul B. We met before in past birth and the soul A did something wrong to me and I cursed him. The way he's affecting me, he should also get affected and he'll become sick, he will know my pain. All this time type of thing we told. And the same soul may come in some relation with us in this birth. So now the subconscious mind already recorded our instruction, our advice. So it will give the same advice to everybody. Same advice to the inverse to happen. So though the soul is in our relation, we will find them suffering or sick. But because of karmic account, we only have to serve them. So, being a former chemist, I would like to point out that if you combine hydrogen oxygen in the proportion of two atoms of the former one to the latter, water will be the result. You are very familiar with the fact that one atom of oxygen and one atom of carbon will produce carbon monoxide, a poisonous gas. But if you add another atom of oxygen, you will get carbon dioxide, a harmless gas, and so throughout the vast realm of chemical compound, you must not think that the principle of chemistry, physics, and mathematics differ from the principle of your subconscious mind. Let us consider a generally accepted principle. Water seeks its own level. This is a universal principle which is applicable to water everywhere. Consider another principle. Matter expands when heated. It is true anywhere at any time under all circumstances. You can heat a piece of steel and it will expand regardless whether the steel is found in China, England or India. It is a universal truth that matter expands when heated. It is also a universal truth that whatever you impress on your subconscious mind is expressed on the screen of space as condition, experience and event. Your prayer is answered because your subconscious mind is principle, and by principle, I mean the way a thing works. For example, the principle of electricity is that it works from a higher to a lower potential. You do not change the principle of electricity when you use it. But by cooperating with nature, you can bring forth marvelous inventions and discoveries which bless humanity in countless ways. Your subconscious mind is principle and works according to the law of belief. You must know what belief is, why it works, and how it works. Your Bible says in a simple, clear, beautiful way, whoever shall say unto this mountain, be thou removed, and be thou cast into the sea, and shall not doubt in his heart, but shall believe that those things which he said shall come to pass, he shall have whatsoever he saith. Mark 11:23. The law of your mind is the law of your belief. This means to believe in the way your mind works, to believe in belief itself. The belief of your mind is thought of your mind that is simple, just that and nothing else. All your experience, event, condition, and acts are the reaction of your subconscious mind to your thoughts. Remember, it is not the thing believed in, but the belief in your mind which brings about the result. Cease believing the false belief, opinion, superstition, and fear mankind. Begin to believe in eternal virtues and truth of life, which never change. Then you will move onward, upward, and Godward. Whoever reads this book and applies the principle of the subconscious mind herein set forth will be able to pray scientifically and effectively for himself and for others. Your prayer is answered according to the universal law of action and reaction. Though is incipient action, the reaction is the response from your subconscious mind, which corresponds with the nature of your thought. Busy your mind with the concept of harmony, health, peace, and goodwill, and wonders will happen in your life. So, with our thought, we can change everything and we can keep our mind busy if something like that has happened, and to keep the concept with harmony, health, peace, and goodwill, then wonder will happen in our life. So, whatever is our situation is reaction of our subconscious mind, what thoughts we have given to it. Thank you, Baba. Thank you. Shukriya, Baba. Shukriya.